enthusiasts. Today I want to share a little nutty secret with you. Cashews. These creamy, crescent-shaped wonders aren't just a snack, they're a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. Let's start with the basics. Cashews are actually seeds, not nuts. Surprise, right? They grow at the bottom of the cashew apple and pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. First off, cashews are loaded with heart-healthy fats. Think unsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol and keep your heart humming along happily. Each handful gives you a boost of plant-based protein and a generous dose of magnesium, which is super important for energy, muscle function, and even your mood. But there's more. Cashews are rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and zinc. That means they help fight off cell damage and support your immune system. Hello, glowing skin and strong defenses. Plus, if you're after plant-based iron or copper, which help keep your blood healthy, cashews have your back. They're also incredibly versatile. I love tossing them into stir-fries, blending them into creamy sauces, or just snacking on them raw. And if you're dairy-free, cashew milk or cashew cheese can totally transform your meals. So next time you reach for a snack, consider a handful of cashews. They're delicious, satisfying, and seriously good for you. Give them a try, and let me know how you like to enjoy your cashews in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.
Kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more healthy diets tips.